Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Volvo S60 key. Start by finding the release button and press while sliding the metal key out of the fob housing. Next, use a small flat tool to gently separate the two halves of the plastic shell, taking care not to damage internal clips. Keep screws and batteries organized and inspect the battery compartment for corrosion or loose contacts before reassembling. Open the fob fully and locate the round battery sitting in a small recess, usually a CR2032 or similar coin cell. Use a plastic prying tool to lift the battery from its slot to avoid shorting components. Inspect the battery contacts for dirt or corrosion and clean them with a dry cloth or cotton swab. Replace with a new battery oriented the same way, then test the key functions before snapping the shell closed. When reassembling, align the edges and ensure any internal buttons sit in their correct positions so nothing is pinched. Press the shell halves together evenly, listening for clips to engage, and slide the metal key back into place. Test the fob at short range to confirm lock and unlock signals work and verify the car responds. If any function fails, reopen and check battery seating and contact cleanliness before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.